Oh man, here we go. I am so excited. This is probably going to be the last microphone in my microphone series, the last microphone I should have to purchase. I'll be honest, I did want the SM7B, but that thing is way beyond my budget right now, so I got this bad boy, and I think it wasn't a Cyber Monday sale, but close to Cyber Monday. I got this bad boy for $89.95 on Amazon. I'll be sure to put that up in the description. The Shure SM58 cardioid dynamic legendary vocal microphone. Pretty simple box, pretty straight to the point. Well, let's go ahead and get straight to our point, right? Yeah. Oh, here we go. We got a Shure sticker that I'm likely not going to use. We have some Shure paperwork. Let's see what we got here. Before using this product, please read the warnings and all that stuff. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I cannot read that. So, all right. And we have the Shure limited warranty card. All the information about that. Well, we're not going to get into that either. And SM58 user guide. Unidirectional dynamic microphone. So unidirectional picks up audio from one direction. It's not omnidirectional. Omni means it comes from all around. You can talk on any side. I guess this one, you talk straight forward into it, right? So, and yep, let's see. Shows you how it works. Well, let's see. Let's get some information in there for you guys to read really quick. And then we're just gonna get to it. So if you want to read that information, feel free to pause it. And let me just thumb through this really quickly. Yeah. All right, good enough. Let's get up. This is the microphone mount with the, I believe it's a 5/8 thread, and that goes on your microphone stand, which I have over there somewhere, but I'm not going to pull it over here right now. So set that aside. Oh, wow. The weight difference between this microphone and the newer microphones that I purchased and the toner microphones. Well, let me test that. Oh, hold on. Set that down. Nice. We've got a Shure Velcro strap for whatever reason. And a Shure carrying pouch. Any money in there? Ah, no. They got my money for that microphone. Ha! But let's get to the mic. Oh, the weight. This thing feels fantastic. Build quality is amazing. XLR. Didn't come with an XLR cable, but thankfully I have some of my own. Shure SM58. And from what I've seen in other videos, it doesn't come with the pop filter or windscreen or anything. Why? Because it's already installed, applied here. Can you see that? I hope you guys can, but it's a wind pop filter screen or whatever in there. And there's your microphone right there. So when you're talking into it, you want to talk straight into it, and that'll give you the best sound. Uh-oh. You might want to put some oil on that thing. I don't know. Maybe. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely put some oil on that thing. Can we get this thing to get on there? There we go. Definitely gonna put some oil on that, but at the same time, I don't plan on taking it off anytime soon. But anyway, XLR, 1, 2, 3, Shure SM58. Gonna plug this bad boy in and get to talking. Talk you guys' ear off. Ha! What's up, everybody? It's Ahmed with A. Roberson Photo, A. Roberson Media, and if you're looking at this big old goofy smile on my face, that is because I finally got me a good microphone, a real good microphone, a vocal microphone, the Shure SM58. This microphone is not new to everybody. It's new to me, you know, because I've been using shotgun mics. I've been trying lavalier mics. I tried some super cheap mics, the newer NW800. The newer NW700, the toner BM700, those mics were okay. They did okay. And actually, out of all the mics that I did test, I hope you've been looking at my series of tests. Maybe the thumbnail right here will remind you, or maybe this thumbnail right here will remind you. But I've been doing a series of tests with these microphones to see which one fared best for my usage. It was a cheap microphone test, but also it was a quality test. And I mean, everybody's level of cheap varies, you know. This microphone right here, the Shure, I got it for $89.99. It was a limited time deal at the time of purchase. Normally it goes for $99, but I saved $10. I mean, $10 is $10. Ultimately, I wanted to get the Shure SM7B, I think it's SM7B or S7B or whatever one, you know, the legendary one that I'm talking about, the $400 one that I'm talking about. And it just wasn't in the cards for me this time around. $400 is $400. And I did not have $400 to spend on the mic. But after looking at a couple of comparison videos, I found this guy, the SM58. And I mean, it stacks up next to the SM7B. I mean, it might not be quite the SM7B, especially $89.99 versus $400, but it's not that big a gap, at least as far as what I've heard from multiple different tests that I've seen on YouTube. But anyway, I have tested this mic against the Neewer NW700, Neewer NW800, and the Toner BM700, and it might not be a fair comparison because the Neewer NW700, I think I got it for like $15. The NW800, I got it for $11 or $12, you know, whatever. But it was not a Black Friday, Cyber Monday deal. I got it for $11-12. And then the Toner, I paid $46. It was a complete kit. It came with the spring-loaded arm for your desktop mount. It came with a pop filter, windscreen or whatever. It came with its own phantom power. It came with a sound card. It came with XLR cables. I mean, it came with everything that I would need. But unfortunately, the one thing that it was lacking that I did need was quality audio. So hopefully, I have quality audio here. I hope you can tell the difference, especially when you're looking back at my other videos with the shotgun mics that I normally use in my room converted to my studio office space. I do not have sound deadening material here, so it tends to echo a little bit. But again, hopefully this Shure mic is picking up my voice straight to it without picking up any excess echoing. And from what I compared to the other microphones, the shotgun mics that I use, they don't have much hiss. The Toner mic and the Neewer mics, they had a little bit of hissing to them. Maybe my preamp was too high, I don't know, but this Shure SM58 seems to be right on the money. I mean, it might be a little hiss in the background, but I don't think so. And if it is, it's not much. And just really quick to shorten this video and just sum it up really fast, I am doing a comparison to the Canon G50 built-in microphone. If you notice, I've been switching back and forth. I mean, obviously you notice because the sound is different, but that's not a fair comparison either. But to keep along with the theme that I've been doing with the other microphones, I've been comparing them to the Canon G50 just the same, because some people might use their built-in microphones in their camcorders or DSLRs or phones or whatever, and they might be satisfied with the sound. So I wanted to give something, comparison sound to hear, to see if there's a difference that you may consider if you want to upgrade your microphone or not. But yeah, I'm very happy with this microphone. The sound quality in comparison to all the other mics is really good. It's really smooth, and it sounds like me with, like I said, not a lot of hiss, hopefully not a lot of echoing. I'm recording through my Tascam 60DR MK2 audio recorder, and I have the gain set at high, and the levels are at maybe 3/4 the way full. Is not all the way up, because I don't want to introduce more hissing or any distortion. So hopefully by me being maybe 6-7 inches away from the microphone, you actually get to hear my voice nice and clear as it should be, as opposed to the other microphones. So anyway, I'll just go ahead and shut this video down really quick. I just wanted you to hear the difference in the quality between all the other microphones that I've been doing in my series, and Also with the difference in the quality with the Canon G50, which is only at 50% gain just the same. So I'm not purposely distorting it or making it sound bad to make this sound good. But anyway, hopefully you've checked out my other videos. I'll put some links in the description and at the end of this video so you can go back and see my other videos in this comparison series. But anyway, this is Ahmed with A. Roberson Photo, A. Roberson Media, and I hope you enjoyed the series. I hope you consider subscribing. Leave a comment. Let me know which microphone you actually like, if you're satisfied with your built-in or any of the other mics that I did, and I'll see you guys in the next video.